What's up everyone, I'm Mike and welcome back to Top Crypto, and today we're going to talk about Binance NFT Marketplace. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado let's begin. Introducing the Binance NFT Marketplace. The Binance NFT Marketplace is a platform for trading a variety of digital artworks and collectibles. Powered by Binance blockchain infrastructure and community, the Binance NFT Marketplace provides high liquidity for users who want to create, buy, and sell NFTs, and for those who don't know what NFT means, it's a non-fungible token, is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain, a form of digital ledger. Types of NFT data units may be associated with digital files such as photos, videos, and audio. Because each token is uniquely identifiable, NFTs differ from blockchain cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. Now back on Binance Marketplace, this were also the biddings of item that can be sold here on the marketplace, like one here for example, you can buy this badass Punisher for 22 BUSD, which is equivalent to $21.99. If you want this item to be yours, just type the amount of BUSD you want to put to bid. This item is a collectible that you can bid to buy on the marketplace. So here is the wallet overview. How to check balance and transfer funds on wallet overview. You can check all your Binance wallet balances and transfer funds between your wallets from the wallet overview page. How to check my Binance wallet balances. Log into your Binance account and go to Wallet Overview. Here you can check the balances of all your Binance wallets and make transfers internally or externally. You can see the estimated balance of your wallets. This is an approximate value of your balance in BTC, along with an estimated value in the fiat currency of your choice, in USD by default. To show or hide your wallet balance, click Show Balance. Apart from the Binance wallets, you can also add your Binance TR, Toka Crypto, JEX, WazirX, and BPLAY accounts. How to make a transfer between my Binance wallets. If you want to trade on a specific market, you need to transfer your funds to the corresponding wallets before you can trade. For example, if you bought crypto via P2P and want to do spot trading, you need to transfer the assets to your fiat and spot wallet first. To make a transfer between your wallets, click Transfer. Select the wallets you want to make the transfer and the coin and enter the amount. Click Confirm. For more details on internal transfer between wallets, please refer to the Transfer pop-up window. Why choose us? Exposure. Get exposure to the millions of Binance users around the world. Liquidity. Projects that are launched on Launchpad or Launchpool will be listed and have world-class liquidity in multiple trading pairs. Token distribution. Your token will immediately be distributed to a large user base that hold your token. Future synergy. Project will receive extensive support and advice even after listing, having access to all areas of the Binance ecosystem. NFTs come in all shapes, sizes, and even use cases. Purely collectible digital art NFTs are pretty limited in what you can do with them. You can trade them, of course, but an NFT of a photo isn't much different from a regular print in terms of utility. Still, some NFTs have actual uses in games, like the famous CryptoKitties on the Ethereum blockchain. In this case, a collectible cat can breed to pass its traits down onto new cats. NFTs are commonly used by financial platforms too. There is a massive market for PancakeSwap's NFTs that are artistic and convertible into cryptocurrency. This unique combination means that people can speculate on the future price of the cashable amount. These NFTs all have in common the ability to trade them for different digital assets. This means you can buy or sell NFTs using ETH, BNB, or other cryptocurrencies. Still, each piece of NFT is unique, i.e., they are not interchangeable. How is the rarity and value of an NFT determined? Determining how much an NFT is worth depends on what it represents. When it comes to crypto art, it's quite similar to any other kind of art. We need to think about who created it, the artistic value of the piece, and how in demand it might be from other collectors. If an NFT is part of a limited run or series, specific numbers are often more valuable than others. We usually see number 1 as desirable, and other numbers people find collectible like number 13 or number 7. Value and rarity depend on a combination of factors, like the ones mentioned above. You can see from these top-shot NFTs how their ranking affects the price. Where can I find NFTs? If you want to explore NFTs on offer, there are a few different places to start looking. NFT marketplaces have a variety of non-fungible tokens on sale, from both famous artists and amateurs. There are loads out there to choose from, but some of the biggest are OpenSea for Ethereum-based NFTs and Treasureland or BakerySwap for Binance Smart Chain. How do you verify the authenticity of an NFT? Proving that your NFT is legitimate can be a bit tricky, depending on what you're looking for. No doubt people are uploading other artists' work and pretending to be them. In this case, you would have to get in touch with the artist to confirm they are selling NFTs of their work. An NFT's creator should supply you with some kind of identifier for you to check. Most of the work will involve looking at your NFT on a blockchain explorer such as BSC-Scan. When it comes to blockchain, we take a don't trust, verify approach. Helpful information could include the minting date and the wallet address that minted the NFT. You could also use the transaction history ID to see if your NFT matches up. This method is better than just checking the image or file associated with your collectible. If we look at the digital artist Beeple's recent sale, Christie's has given the token ID, token contract, and wallet address for validation. There is sometimes a URL to the file or an IPFS link to verify its underlying content. Both, however, can be used by someone else when creating a fake token. In most cases, you're best off checking with the creator first. When it comes to NFTs, new use cases and developments are constantly coming out. It's easy to forget that the technology is as recent as 2017 and still in its infancy. Before you start investing money into these tokens, make sure you understand precisely what you're getting into and how to use them. It's easy to just think of NFTs as art, but there is a whole world of projects using them in different ways. And that's all you need to know for Binance NFT Marketplace. Come visit our channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.